Hey guys, this is Sumit from DeepReel, and today I'm going to show you how easily you can change, reorder, and add media to your script in our AI editor. As you can see, I'm in the draft stage, and the prompt for this draft was "What is KYC?" Let's check out the video first.
Ever wondered why banks need your ID, selfies, and proof of address before you can open an account? It seems excessive, right? Well, there's actually a critical reason behind all this paperwork. It's called KYC, Know Your Customer. It's how financial institutions verify you are who you say you are. Without these checks, someone could easily open accounts in your name and disappear with your money.
Whoa. Now let me show you how easily you can modify the visuals. Let's select this scene for example, this visual. Now, as you can see, as soon as I selected the visual, it highlighted the part of the script where this visual will appear. I can easily set my out points and in points, and so the visual would exactly appear on those words over there. It's very easy to adjust. Just drag this point to the left and to the right of the word where you want this visual to appear, and same from where it begins. Yeah. Same goes with this visual over here. It appears on these words, and we can easily again modify where we want it to begin and where we want it to end. Now let me show you how you can swap the visuals. Now if I want this visual to come before this visual, I'll just select this visual over here and just drag it in this position. You saw what happened? Let me do this again. If I want this visual to come before this visual, let me just select and hold this and drag it to the area before. Yeah. Now this big visual is the first one and this becomes second. Let's play this.
Proof of address before you can open an account.
Now can you see this icon on the top left of the visual? When we click it, it expands the visual so that we can preview it properly. Yeah. Let's close this window. And also, as you can see, there is another icon over here, and when I click on X, it says, are you sure you want to delete the image? This action cannot be undone, and this will permanently delete the selected item, and we don't want to do that. If you want to delete the item, you can, but currently I don't want to delete, so I will hit cancel. Next, let me show you how you can change any visual. Let's select this visual over here. And as soon as I select this visual, this is pop-up that pops around in the right bottom over here. Let's click on change video over here. In search results, these are the visuals that were populated while the draft was generating. These visuals are also as per the topic that were given. Let's check them out. You can also search for visuals from stock media library. Let's click there and let's type our topic, finance. Let's see what we have here. This looks interesting. You can also click the expand button over here to preview the media. To add this video to our draft, we just have to click insert media. Now let's upload our own visuals. Let's click on this visual over here. Click on change video. Let's click on your library, and this is where all of our media that we upload to DeepReel is. Let's click on upload media. Let's select our media over here and let's just open it. The media has been uploaded. Just select it and just insert it to our draft. And it was as simple as that. Let's play it.
Finances and our entire financial system.
Nice. Next, let me show you how you can adjust a few parameters around your visual. We can adjust the timing of the visual from here as well. We can also change the way the visual is appearing on the screen. For example, let's click on fill cover. It will try to fill the entire image on the screen. Let's scale to fit. It will scale the image to the entire screen. And let's click on tile, which will show the actual image. I like this one. Let's keep this. Also, you can adjust the opacity, which is the transparency of the image. If like at 0, you won't see anything. But if you increase it a little bit, you'll see much. A little bit. Yeah. That's what that means. We can adjust the opacity, and also we can zoom in the image if we want. Like if I select this and if I click here, see how I can zoom in the image in the canvas in the preview. Yeah, this is good. Let's keep it this way. Next, let me show you how you can generate visuals with AI. Let's click on this scene. Let's click on change video. Let's click on generate with AI. And let's describe what kind of image do we want over here. As per the script, I want an image of a frustrated man looking in the phone. Let's keep the image style to realistic, but there are other options over here. Let's select our image aspect ratio. Let's keep it portrait, vertical. Let's generate the image. Yeah, this is good. Let's insert it to our scene here. Let's play this scene from the start.
So next time you're frustrated with another verification request, remember, KYC might be annoying, but it's absolutely necessary. Comment below if you've had any interesting KYC experiences.
And now you know everything about polishing your visuals and creating a perfect video in DeepReel.